Students, good noon. This is the informatic practices of class 11 for commerce student, and we go through this book, and that is the first chapter. We are going to start. Okay, so hardware concept. Okay, so that is the hardware concept. Learning objectives of this lesson is that after learning this chapter, the students will be able to understand functions, units of the computer, learn about the various input devices, learn about the various output devices, learn about the secondary storage devices, understand data and instructions flow using communication buses and the ports. Okay, so through this chapter, we learn all those things which I discussed about it. Our present day life is so automatic that most of the tasks are accomplished with a click of a button. Washing machine has been taken over the washing machine, cooking by microwaves, and conventional banking has been replaced by the ATMs etc. देखिए, हमारी ज़िंदगी में, हमारी डेली लाइफ में बहुत सारी चीज़ें बिल्कुल चेंज हो गई है. हम जो मैनुअल वॉशिंग करते थे क्लोथ्स की, वो मशीन से होने लगी है. माइक्रोवेव आ गए हैं, और जो कन्वेंशनल वे था बैंकिंग का, वो एटीएम में चेंज हो गया है, ऑनलाइन ट्रांजेक्शन हो गया है. इन एवरी स्फीयर ऑफ लाइफ मशीन्स dominate human efforts. Have you ever wondered what mechanism works behind their machine? In fact, in all these machines, a click of button starts a process inside the machine, which sometimes can be very complex one. बटन दबाते ही काम हो जाता है. ये कॉम्प्लेक्स ह्यूमन मशीन है. और एटीएम ऑटोमेटेड टेलर मशीन है. अ कंप्यूटर इज एन electronic device that processes input data and produces result output according to a set of the instructions called program. Means sequential instructions given by us on the behalf of the sequential instruction the computer can work. Okay, so here is the next page, and a computer performs basically five major functions irrespective of its size and make. It accepts data or instructions by way of the input. It stores data. देखिए, पहला जो है, कंप्यूटर एक्सेप्ट करता है डाटा को इनपुट के थ्रू, और स्टोर्स डाटा, वो डाटा को स्टोर्स करता है. इट प्रोसेसेस डाटा एज रिक्वायर्ड बाय द यूज़र, वो प्रोसेस करता है डाटा को. इट कंट्रोल्स द ऑपरेशंस ऑफ ए कंप्यूटर, वो कंप्यूटर के सारे ऑपरेशंस को कंप्यूटर के सारे ऑपरेशंस को कंट्रोल करता है. इट गिव्स रिजल्ट्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द आउटपुट, और वो रिजल्ट देता है आउटपुट के फॉर्म में. इन ऑर्डर टू कैरी आउट द ऑपरेशंस मेंशन अबाउट द कंप्यूटर allocates the task among its various functions units. Computer has the mainly three units: input and output units. Central processing unit. Central processing unit consists of the memory unit, control unit, and arithmetic and logic unit. The center block of the blue color is given here, the central processing unit, in which the main memory and secondary memory and auxiliary memory. Okay, what if we try to understand through this block diagram of the computer processing is most important thing. How does the computer work? I will tell you, I will explain you all those things. So there is the CPU, which is connected by the input devices like the mouse, like the keyboard, and light pen, and moreover. Okay, so there is the CPU. CPU consists of the memory unit. Memory unit may be primary memory and secondary memory. Secondary memory is the that means permanent memory. Primary memory is the RAM, is the temporary memory. Okay, so whatever information entered by you and the computer through the keyboard, mouse, or light pen, it will be checked in the sense of the syntax and according to language and the standard of the computer programming. Okay, in this way, the control unit checks the all informations and send all those information into the memory unit. In memory unit, the all information is stored and then recall on the behalf of the process what kind of the process is needed or required by the user. So there is it control units fetches the information and check it and send it to the arithmetic and logic unit, because mostly of the informations or the process or the problems related with the logic and mathematics. So this is performed by the arithmetic and logic unit, and after the arithmetic performance of the arithmetic and logic unit, it will uh, uh, called back by the control unit. Control unit checked all those results and sent to the memory unit, and memory stored it. And after that, when we ask the answer or result or solution of the problem, the control unit check it and send it to the output devices or output unit like monitor, paper, printer. Okay, in this way. So that is the data path and that is the control signals, and this is the arrow shows the how data pass from here to there, and this is the complete block diagram or computer processing of it. CPU is known as the brain and heart of the computer. Okay, so what are the input devices? The devices by which we input the data or information into the computer. वो सारी devices, वो सारी इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स जिनसे हम कंप्यूटर को डाटा एंटर करते हैं या इंफॉर्मेशन देते हैं, वो सब इनपुट डिवाइसेस में आएगी. Input devices means what? That means keyboard. Keyboard are the two types. Generally, keyboard are two types: mechanical keyboard and the uh, electronic keyboard. Okay, so mechanical and semi-mechanical keyboard. Keyboard has a number of keys और the 10 number functions keys होती है उसमें. डायरेक्शन कीज 4 होती है. न्यूमरिक फंक्शंस कीज F1 to F12 होता है. अदर कीज जो न्यूमरिक पेड होता है, ये सारा आपने देखा है. और स्पेशल कीज़ होती है, स्पेस बार है स्पेस के लिए, टू कंट्रोल कीज़, टू अल्टर कीज़, और उसके बाद एंटर कीज़, टू शिफ्ट की, और उधर एस्केप की होती है. एस्केप के साथ उधर इधर जो प्रिंटर पास और ये सारी की होती है, और इधर अप एंड डाउन, पेज अप पेज डाउन, एंड डिलीट, इस तरीके की सारी कीज़ होती है, वो आपकी देखी हुई है. देखिए, दिस इज़ द कंप्यूटर. ओके, फंक्शंस कीज़ सबसे फर्स्ट जो है ऊपर दिया है 12 कीज़ होती है. उसके बाद पास, प्रिंट और ये की है. ठीक है, इधर डायरेक्टिव्स कीज़, डायरेक्शंस कीज़ है 1 2 3 4, अप डाउन, लेफ्ट डायरेक्शन एंड राइट डायरेक्शन. न्यूमरिक पेड होता है, न्यूमरिक की पेड होता है, और कंट्रोल कीज़ होती है. ठीक है. So that is the here is the another thing is the mouse. This all those devices which are we look as the physically and we can touch it. These are called the hardware of the computer. Okay, internal hardware and external hardware. Internal hardware are the motherboard, processor, SMPS, hard disk drive, DVD, CD. Okay, modem, RAM. Okay, all those are the hardware. Okay, and now there is the mouse. Mouse is a pointer device, and that is the mouse are the two types: serial buses mouse, serial trackball mouse, and another is the optical mouse. Now we have been using last 3 years the optical mouse. Okay, so mouse is the pointer device inside the left button, right button, middle button, and wheel. Okay. Other input devices, light pen. Okay, it is the light sensitive stylus attached to a video terminal to the draw pictures, to select menu options and those, and touch screen. The device allow interacting with the computer without any intermediate device. You may see it in the kiosk installed, okay, in the various publications. Graphics tablets ऐसे बहुत सारे ये जो होते हैं, joystick to play the video games and computer games, and a microphone, to enter information in form of the sound. OCR, optical character reader, scanner, and smart card reader. Okay, barcode reader, biometric sensors and वेब कैमरास. बायोमेट्रिक आपके फिंगर आपने किया होगा आधार यूआईडी को करते समय, है ना. अ सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट कंसिस्ट ऑफ द सीपीयू, कंट्रोल यूनिट अरिथमेटिक एंड लॉजिक यूनिट, एंड द कंट्रोल यूनिट इट डायरेक्ट्स द सीक्वेंस ऑफ द ऑप्शंस ऑपरेशंस. ओके, ये सारा अरिथमेटिक एंड लॉजिक यूनिट लॉजिकल और अरिथमेटिक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करता है. रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी रैम. Okay, these are the RAM, the primary memory, and it gives memory during the working on the computer. Temporary memory होती है ये, ठीक है. ROM, read only memory, is used to store the instructions provided by the manufacturer, means company by which the computer is manufactured. Okay, what is the units of the memory? One that, yes, there is the what, the zero. Computer based on the 0 and 1. Computer knows only 0 and 1, binary number system. Okay, so 8 bits make 2 byte. 0 1 से मिला के जो 8 बिट्स बनेगी वो 1 बाइट कहलाता है, और 4 बिट्स जो होगी वो निबल कहलाएगा, ठीक है. और यहाँ पर शुरू होता है 1 KB किलो बाइट मीन्स 2 to the power 10 bytes 1024 bytes. 1 MB megabytes 2 to the power 10 KB 1024 KB. एंड दिस वे टेराबाइट पेराबाइट, ठीक है. इस पे आ गए. अब आउटपुट डिवाइसेस पे आते हैं. मॉनिटर और वीडियो डिस्प्ले यूनिट, मॉनिटर, स्पीकर, ठीक है. डॉट मैट्रिक्स प्रिंटर, इंकजेट, डेस्क बबल प्रिंटर और लेज़र प्रिंटर. ओके, printers are the two types, impact and non impact printer. impact printer में आपका डॉट मैट्रिक्स आएगा, डेजिविल आ जाएगा, ड्रम प्रिंटर आ जाएगा, और नॉन इम्पैक्ट में थर्मल प्रिंटर आ जाएंगे आपके, और इंकजेट प्रिंटर आ जाएंगे, लेज़र प्रिंटर आ जाएंगे, ठीक है. और प्लॉटर्स. Communication bus are the address bus in computer architecture. A bus is a system that transfer data between computer and the components of between computers. Okay, the address bus. This is a system of bus which is used to specify the address of a memory location of width of the bus. Determine the numbers of the memory location that can be addressed. For example, system with 64-bit address bus can address second memory location database. This system of bus is a medium which transfers the data from one place to the another in a computer system. Control bus. This system of bus carries the signal that gives the report about the status of a device. For example, one wire of a bus indicates whether the CPU is currently reading or writing from the main memory. More about communication bus, memory, MDR, ये सारा आपको दिया हुआ है. Communication port, serial ports. A communication port is mounted in a slot of the computer for easy plugging unplugging of a peripheral devices. Serial port. Through this port, the information travels and out 1 bit at a time. Serial ports come in the form of the 9-pin, 25-pin MAC connector. These ports are often known as the communication COM port, mouse, modem, etc. are connected using serial ports through the now mostly they are been replaced by the USB port. Okay, these are the serial ports. Okay, this is socket and parallel port. This is parallel port socket for the printer, LPT1, LPT2, LPT3 and COM1, COM2, COM3. 45 port, 11 port, USB port. USB stands for the Universal Serial Bus, used for the short distance digital data communication. This port allows data transfer between the devices with little electric power. RJ11 connector, RJ11 socket, RJ45 connector, RJ45 socket. Okay, the secondary storage device is the hard disk HDD. Okay, this is high capacity storage device ranging from 1 GB to terabytes. Nowadays, generally hard disk are sealed units fixed in the cabinet. Okay, and the floppy disk, it is the FDD. Okay, there are two kinds of the floppies. The 1.5 and quarter inch and 3.5 inches. Okay, and MB 1.24 MB and 1.44 MB. Compact disc CD. Magnetic tapes. These were the very old. Here is the DVD, digital versatile uh, Desco digital video disc. This is an optical disc storage device. It can be recorded on the single side or on the double side. Its capacity may range from 4.7 GB to 8.5 GB. USB drive. This is a small portable memory which can be plugged into a computer with a USB port, and they have capacity lesser than the hard disk but much larger than the floppy CD and etc. The memory cards, okay, SD card. These are the data storage devices mainly used with the digital cameras, computers, mobile phones, music players, video game console, etc. They offer high recordability with the power-free storage. As we know, the computer industry is a very growing and new hardware components keep coming in the market with enhanced features and the capabilities. We should keep updating our information about this computer components it by knowing about them from internet and other possible sources. Some of the websites having these updates are www.arstechnica.com, www.arstechnica.com, www.cnet.com. Summary: a computer is a machine which takes input as data and the instructions as input and the perform computations based on those instructions to give some outputs. The main functions units of the computer are the input devices, CPU, memory, and the output devices. So these are the there are the various input and output devices for receiving input and for the giving output. CPU is divided into the arithmetic logic units, control units, and memory units. Primary memory is divided into the RAM and ROM. Okay, communication bus is used to transfer data between the computer and the peripherals. Different ports are used to connect peripheral to a computer. For further reference, the permanent storage secondary devices are used. Multiple choice questions. When the electrical power is disrupted or cut off, data and programs are lost in the RAM. Okay, and the read-only memory is volatile, programmable, is mounted on the motherboard and contains the bootstrap loader. C0 stands for. Okay, so this you will have to solve this all those exercise and next. Okay, this lesson is completed. Thank you very much.